Russian President Vladimir Putin has expressed willingness to discuss a ceasefire in Ukraine with US President-elect Donald Trump. However, Putin says this would need to be under specific and stringent conditions. His proposal includes freezing the conflict along the current front lines, allowing Russia to retain significant territory, including Crimea and a large portion of the Donetsk, Luhansk, Zaporizhia and Kherson region. These areas account for nearly 20% of Ukraine's territory. The territory also includes critical land routes planned to Crimea. Putin ruled out returning Crimea or making any major territory concessions and insisted Ukraine abandon its ambitions to join NATO. Kremlin conditions reportedly include limits on Ukraine's military size and assurance to protect the use of the Russian language.
নগদের সর্বোচ্চ বার 167 টাকা রিচার্জে পাবেন 1 লাখ টাকা পুরস্কার। আরও আছে প্রতি সপ্তাহে পুরস্কার ও ক্যাশব্যাক।